Hello everybody, I'm John, this is JP Strategic Investments, and today we're talking about what I think is one of the best ways to practice your technical analysis skills. And whether you're new to investing and trading, or whether you have a lot of trading experience, I think this tool can possibly save you a lot of time and money when practicing your technical analysis skills, which everybody should do regardless of whether you have a lot of experience or whether you're new to trading. So let's jump right into it here, what I think is the best way to practice your technical analysis skills. I have TradingView open here. If you haven't checked out TradingView, definitely check them out. But there's a tool on here that is pretty awesome, and that is the bar replay tool, or the replay tool. And what this tool allows you to do is go back into any point in time on any chart and basically erase everything that happened after that point on the chart. And so what this allows you to do then is try to analyze what's on the chart, make sure you don't cheat and look at everything that's on the chart before it happens, but try to look at everything on the chart and try to do your own analysis. Draw some trend lines, draw some support and resistance, see what the stock is doing, and try to practice your technical analysis. And you could even test your trading strategies, see if you would have actually bought or sold at that point, and then hit play and let it play out and see if you were right or wrong. And so generally what you want to do here is just kind of go back to a random point in time, grab this replay tool and just throw it on the chart at a certain point here. And then do your technical analysis, right? So what we're looking at here is we got a stock that's sitting at its moving average right now. We have what looks like maybe some horizontal support at this area right here. So we can maybe draw that line horizontally. And we can watch that moving average, maybe make some assumptions. And then we can decide, what speed we want the stock to play at or the chart to play at. And we just hit play. And we kind of watch the stock and see what happens. And then we can pause it at any point actually and say, okay, maybe we got the stock starting to break through here. Maybe we want to slow it down so we can actually do some analysis. I'm going to play a few bars. It's a little slow. I'll speed it up a little bit. Let's see what happens. Okay, wait, we got a big candle coming up through here. What do we do? What's the decision, right? We don't know what's going to happen unless you cheated, right? But don't cheat when you're doing this. And so we're looking here, okay, would we buy? Well, let's check it out. We got it breaking through both of these moving averages, right? We have it breaking through this horizontal support. Maybe that's a buy signal for you, maybe it's not. We also have probably what this is going to be, maybe some horizontal resistance at this level. So if the stock approaches that, do we want to maybe sell or buy depending on that point there? We can make our analysis, make our decision, and then we can hit play again and see how it plays out, see if we were right, okay? We got the stock kind of bouncing again. You can pause it again, and you guys get the idea. Basically, this allows you to go back in time and practice your technical analysis skills. And you can see what was weeks, right, on this chart, I can go through and analyze over the course of minutes. This is a really great tool, and it can really help you improve your technical analysis skills, save you a lot of time and potentially some money that you might have lost if your trading skills weren't as good as they were after you practice your technical analysis skills. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, definitely hit that like button, consider subscribing for more videos like this. Other than that, I will see you guys next time and have a great day.